Welcome to Tesla Daily. Here's what's happening with Tesla lately. First up, Giga Berlin is facing some labor tensions as a union election approaches. In Texas, Tesla has launched a new vehicle-to-grid program for the Cybertruck. Over in China, they've teamed up with Tencent for WeChat Integration. Now, on the pricing front, Tesla's Semi is seeing a 60% increase from what they initially promised. And finally, there's been a leadership shakeup at Tesla, coinciding with some declining sales. That's the latest on Tesla. Let's dive into some important updates about Tesla. First up, Tesla's Giga Berlin is facing some labor tensions. Recently, the company called the police on a representative from the IG Metall union. They accused this person of secretly recording a Works Council meeting. This incident comes just ahead of the Works Council elections set for March 2nd to 4th, 2026. These elections could really change the dynamics of labor relations at the plant. This situation highlights the ongoing struggles between Tesla and IG Metall, Germany's largest industrial union. Sales are down and workforce reductions are happening. In fact, Tesla's European sales dropped by 28% last year, with Germany seeing a staggering 48% decline. A recent survey shows that 94% of Germans wouldn't even consider buying a Tesla. That's a big reputational hit for the brand. The upcoming elections are crucial. IG Metall wants to gain majority representation, but Tesla management is pushing back. They've even threatened to halt expansion plans if the union gains too much influence. If IG Metall wins, we could see stronger collective bargaining agreements, something Tesla has resisted. But if they lose, the underlying issues might not get resolved. This incident raises questions about Tesla's confidence in its workforce and its future in Europe. They're up against fierce competition from companies like BYD and Volkswagen. The outcome of these elections will be vital for Tesla's stability in the region, so investors should keep a close eye on this. Now, let's talk about Tesla's new vehicle-to-grid program in Texas. They've launched the PowerShare Grid Support Program, allowing Cybertruck owners to help stabilize the grid during peak demand. This is a big step in Tesla's energy strategy. Owners can earn credits while using their vehicle's battery to support the Texas grid. Right now, the program is invitation only, but it's Tesla's first move into vehicle-to-grid technology. This could really enhance the Cybertruck's utility and position Tesla in the growing V2G market. If successful, we might see this technology expand across Tesla's lineup. However, Tesla is entering a competitive space. Companies like Ford and GM have already established their V2G capabilities. The timing is key, especially with increasing competition in the EV market. If this program works well in Texas, it could pave the way for future expansions into other states. Next, Tesla has partnered with Tencent to integrate WeChat features into its Model 3 and Model Y in China. This collaboration aims to improve the user experience for Tesla drivers there. WeChat is a huge part of daily life in China, and this integration could help Tesla stay competitive against local manufacturers. Tesla's sales in China have been slipping, with a 7% drop in wholesale deliveries last year. The WeChat features could make Tesla more appealing in a market where software capabilities are crucial. But they're entering a crowded space, so how well they leverage Tencent's technology will be key. Now, let's discuss the pricing for Tesla's semi-truck. The price has jumped by 60% from initial estimates. The new price is set at $290,000 for the 500-mile range version, up from the $180,000 initially promised. This raises questions about Tesla's strategy in the commercial truck market. While the Semi's price is higher, it still undercuts many competitors. It's designed to be efficient, recovering 60% of its range in just 30 minutes of charging. But the higher price might deter some buyers, especially small fleet operators. The Semi's success will depend on its performance and cost savings compared to traditional diesel trucks. Finally, Tesla is shaking up its leadership team. Joe Ward has been promoted to oversee global sales. This change comes as Tesla faces declining sales and stiff competition from rivals like BYD and Volkswagen. Sales dropping last year Tesla has lost its top EV seller status in Europe. This leadership shift shows how urgent the situation is for Tesla. Ongoing executive turnover raises concerns about stability and execution, especially as the company pivots toward AI and robotics for future growth. As Tesla increases its capital expenditures, they're banking on innovation to capture new revenue streams. Investors should watch how these leadership changes impact Tesla's performance in this rapidly evolving EV landscape. So that's the latest on Tesla. It's a critical time for the company, and how they navigate these challenges will be key for their future. That's a wrap for today's Tesla Daily Insights. Thanks for tuning in. Just a reminder, this is for informational purposes only, not financial advice.